Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it out.
Lesson 1.7. View results in the Google form and also create a Google Sheet. Your Google form has two tabs, the questions and the responses. Select the responses tab and then view a visual representation of the data that you've collected. You can create a Google Sheet to further analyze the data. Select the icon Google Sheets. Then select Create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet. In this example, create new spreadsheet. As you can see, all the data is organized within the Google Sheet. You can visualize the information in the data by creating graphs. Feel free to explore these and other options within Google Forms. Get creative, get creating, get Google Forms. Happy learning!
Take it out.